Namaste everyone. I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun this week at a good note. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of the tarot for this week. Before I begin the video, people who do not know me, I'm Ruhi Aluwalia. I'm a coach and a therapist. I help people to maximize their potential in the domain of health, career, relationship, and finances. So let's begin what the tarot has to tell us for this week. So to begin with, we have this card that tells us that the tarot tells us to be patient this week. It is possible that some of your projects will have some sort of delays, and this is the week where you need to introspect, go within and ask the right kind of questions within you. Be patient this week. No impulsive decisions, no attitude of hurry will help you this week. As far as the professional life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that for some people, there are going to be some changes in your professional life. I see some people quitting the job or the project that they are doing to start something new. But as far as your the professional life is concerned, you really need to be sure that you do not take impulsive decisions. Please go with it. Think, reflect, and then only act. As far as the finances are concerned, we have these two beautiful cards that tell us that finances look quite stable this week. I see most people managing their finances very, very well. So you will be going ahead with your finances, but in a very, very stable way. As far as the your love life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell me that the love life for some people would look like stagnated. There's nothing that's happening, but that's okay. This week is not the week to be taking important decisions regarding your love life. This is the week where you really need to settle down, be patient, and let things happen. Let this week go by, and then take some important decisions in your love life. As far as the health is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that this week also you really to manage your health really well, in the sense that you might have a lot of strength. You might want to do a lot of things, but just be patient and try to have a balance between action and how do I say, action and rest. That's exactly the word I was looking forward to. So this week, even though you have a lot of energy, even though you want to do a lot of things, you may want to really slow down. So slow down this week is what you have to do to align your thoughts and actions and to be aligned to the energy of this week. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we have this beautiful card that tells us that even though the week will begin at a very slow note, but as the week ends, you will see a lot of love in your life, a lot of relaxation, a feeling of wellness, a feeling of well-being will really sink in. So even if the week begins at a difficult note, slow note, but stay assured that the rest of the week, the last part of the week, is going to be amazing, provided if you are really aligned to the energy of the week. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications, and also share this video with at least 3 people that you know to help guide and inspire others. Till then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.